Okay, we got something new today. This one's pretty dope. I really like the concept. You guys may have heard of something similar before, but if it's got Soul Supremacy or Soul Steel's name on it, you automatically know it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be legit. New episode today. Stay tuned.
Started talking to me like I'm slowing down. Opinions over statistics, of course. Gassed off journalistic, come at me and all you'll get is the ballistic report.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back with a different kind of episode today. This one is going to be on the new Soul Steel's Hype box. If it sounds familiar, it probably is because it is. It's kind of like those laced up Hypebeast boxes that I've been opening up recently, except this is Soul Steel's version. Not gonna lie, it is pretty awesome of a concept. So you guys are already thinking like, okay, well, I've seen the Hype box before. It is what it is. Like, there's nothing different. It's just gonna be random clothes and shoes, and in that case you would be right. However, the customization of how you can make your Hype box is ridiculous on Soul Steel's. It is like an entity of Soul Supremacy. Basically what it is you buy a membership, which is $19.99 a month, or you could buy like a year membership and it's a little bit cheaper if you do it that way. But I'm sticking with recurring for now. Anyway, $19.99 a month, and what it does is it gives you access to a whole bunch of shoes for like under competitive market pricing. These shoes are sold for a steal. That's how they got the name Soul Steels, I guess. But yeah, so anyway, you could buy all of that. Restocks on these shoes are every Sunday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. What they do is they release a whole bunch of shoes that could like be any different sizes, different types of models, but typically they're like for really, really good prices. You can see over here a couple of the steals that they do put out. But let's get to the main topic, which is the Hype boxes. So as you can see on screen now, you can choose up to different sizes of your shoes. So if you're like an 8.5 or 9, you can choose 8.5 and 9. You also get to pick the sizing of your clothing, so large, medium, things like that. You get to pick the size of the bottoms as well. And then as you can see over here, there are different price points that you can go off of. So bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. You also get to choose the preference right there where it says more clothes or more shoes, which is also a pretty cool like customization feature. Right now it says sold out, but again, once they release their stock, then it'll move over and you can buy as much as you can within that period. So it is a pretty dope concept. I mean, like, you can get a whole bunch of Bape, Supreme, kind of like the lace up boxes, but again, it doesn't have that customization like how Soul Steel's has. So that's a nice touch. Being able to pick the size of your bottom, shirts, having multiple shoe sizes in place. It just feels very like comfortable and you feel like you know what you're getting. So time for the actual box. So this one was actually the gold price point, which is $1,500 plus $35 shipping. So fingers crossed it's Hype stuff and we can continue to do these like on a weekly basis, kind of like Soul Supremacy. That would be sick. Let's get into this though. A lot smaller than the beater boxes, obviously. I can actually hold this one in my lap. Okay. So let's see, first things first, we got the Bathing Ape shirt, it looks like. Let me open this up. So obviously everything's gonna be in DS condition. You can see this right here. A Bape camo in red. It says Bathing Ape across the front. Size large. That's my size, so pretty cool. So if you guys are buying this from a reseller standpoint, you gotta remember that Bape isn't being sold right now on StockX. So you really gotta like vary your prices based off of eBay listings and Grail prices and stuff like that, where you can actually buy Bape reliably. Looks like a Supreme shirt. Whoa, what the heck is this? This is kind of creepy though, man. Look at that. There's got like skeletons back there and like Greek statues, it looks like, or some kind of zombie thing. I don't know. This is kind of interesting. But it's Supreme, so supposedly it's supposed to be Hype. Okay, so that's two pieces. Let's see what else we got in here. I see an accessory hanging out on the side. It looks like it's that over-the-shoulder pouch thing. You can see in here, it actually includes a strap, so you can like sling it over. Not sure how much these go for, but prices should be on screen over here. Supreme, easy to sell because you can sell it on StockX, so that's a good thing. So the last thing that we got in here that's like clothes is in another Bape bag right here. All right, so, whoa. Okay, so these are a pair of shorts. You can see this. And it's in that shark camo kind of look. You can see right there. I actually really like this one. This isn't bad at all, man. I'm not really big on Bape. I don't have anything Bape in my collection right now. I might actually keep this because this is pretty dope. You can see in the back, same camo vibes. Cross pattern over here, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, I'm not too sure how much these go for, but I know that these like shark logo stuff are like pretty popular. So that's kind of cool. Value will definitely be up on the screen over here, but I'm probably keeping this one because, yeah, I need something Bape in the collection, I would think. So we got two things left in here. Like I said, it comes with shoes and it comes with a combination of clothing. So we saw the clothing portion. Now let's look at the shoe portion. Pretty pumped. Dude, what the heck? This is nuts. Okay, so I've never gotten this in a beater box, but I just pulled this out of a Hype box. Like, what? I always wanted one of these in like a beater box, but again, I've never seen it. So to be in a Hype box, this is insane, man. Human Race 2016. This is not the new ones, this is the old ones. And this is in a size 11, so that's my size. Yo, what? This is, what the heck? Insane, dude. This is crazy. It's a pair of the Human Race Reds, but the thing is DS. It's DS. That is nuts. Like, this in itself is like something that would make me come back to the hype box like every single week. No joke, man. That is nuts. I've literally never seen this in a beater box, and now it comes out in the first hype box. Like, that's ridiculous, dude. What the heck? That is crazy. It lives up to its name. It is definitely a hype box, and that is insane. What's more insane is that this box isn't even done yet. It's not even done yet. There's one more shoe in here, and I'm assuming it can't be that good because we already got like a grail shoe. So the last shoe in here, also a size 11. This is a Jordan 4. See that? Whew. This is also a pretty nice shoe, man. So this is the fire red colorway. I actually really like this. It has a really nice look to it. Wait. Okay, so this pair actually looks like it's not DS, so maybe it's a combination of both new and used shoes. I have to go check on that, but it is very like near dead stock. It's a little bit of gunk over here. I'm not sure if that's like caused from being in the box and maybe it collected dust and stuff, because the other shoe doesn't even have those markings. So again, it might have been tried on, but that's about it. Still, really good pickup, really good condition. So what do you guys think of the hype box? I don't know, I thought it was pretty sick. Okay, so you guys know like I like Laced Up, they're cool, they had really good boxes, but granted, I never bought a box, I guess, from them that was over $1,000, but for this, like the Human Race by itself is so hyped. It's so hyped. The Bape and Supreme pieces are like, I already know it's gonna be a good amount of value there. You got the Jordan 4, you got DS like clothing and stuff. It's gonna be like great value. I'm not sure what the screen over here says. Like I said, I gotta go research the Bape market. It's gonna force me to do that if I start buying these things continuously. But so far, like, let me know in the comments below, did you guys like the Soul Steals box? Did you guys like the Laced Up boxes? Because I wanna know. Moving forward, like, I don't know if I can buy multiple of these things every week. So I might try to buy a couple more Laced Up, buy a couple more hype boxes from Soul Steals, and we'll see like where we should fit in, you know, like where's the better box. But so far, like, that is crazy. That is super hyped. I have a pair of Human Races in my collection. No, I'm not selling that. You crazy? You guys crazy. Yeah, thank you again for watching. Like, let me know again in the comments too what you guys think of the boxes, which one you'd like to see next. This is the gold price point. Again, you need to be a member for it, but if you get stuff like this, $20 is well worth it, because in like the grand scheme of things, if you resold everything, you're making a crazy deal right there. So as always, stay humble, stay blessed, stay safe, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Aloha. Shoots.